There was just an earthquake, and so I'm gonna vlog if anything happens. I'm home alone and I'm shaking, and I don't know if you can tell, but the camera's shaking right now because I'm like so freaking out, and I have Mask of Magnanimity on right now, if you're wondering. I had just put this mask on and I was sitting on my bed, and at first I heard it. I'm shaking, I'm so sorry. At first I heard it, and then there was like one big jolt, and I was like, oh my god, and I ran, and I'm in my doorway right now. I might sleep in my doorway right now, I don't know. But I'm shaking, I don't like earthquakes, and I have to pee. Wish me luck. I don't even want to go potty. We're gonna go see if they said anything on the news about said earthquake. I'm so freaked out.
At our quake cam as the quake was happening. Eyewitness News viewers report feeling it in Brea, and again, the quake was in Rowland Heights, 2 miles southwest of the area. It occurred at 7:13 p.m.
And still to come here on Eyewitness News, an inspiring story of...
Wow, news. That's all you gave me? I think they said it was a 4.1. I don't know. Let's see. Whenever there's an earthquake, you know you can go on Twitter and just find all the deets. I just said deets. I hate myself. Just kidding. Love yourself. But don't say deets. Okay, I just shook this and thought it was another earthquake, but I'm just freaking myself out. Let's search. Oh, earthquake. Spelled earthquake wrong. Great. Oh, 3.1. So it says 3.1 magnitude earthquake hits 2 miles southwest of Rowland Heights. Did you feel it? Yes. So 3.1. I mean, that's not that bad. Now I'm on LA QuakeBot. I shouldn't be on this because I'm gonna freak out. But there was a 3.1 in Rowland Heights, a 1.5 in Alhambra an hour ago. Is Wrightwood near me? I don't know. There's a 1.2 in La Habra 4 hours ago. Devore has so many. Where the heck's Devore? I don't know, but I'm keeping you rolling just in case something crazy happens. I'm so scared. I'm not even gonna sit on my bed. So I found a picture of where Rowland Heights is, in case you were wondering. So Rowland Heights is where this star is, and I'm super duper close to that. Like, what? Does it have Devore on this one? No, I guess Devore is not that close to us. But yeah. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I hate earthquakes so much. I'm not a happy camper right now.